Well, okay, we're going to talk about the inventory part. So in UpForce, we can also do the inventory management. So how to do it? Right here, inventory, and we have inventory management, inventory search, and then query log. So first, let's see inventory management. So in UpForce here, we can make a new purchase order, do the inbound, outbound, stock take order, and also we have the warehouse location information and binding. So if you want to do the purchase order, what to do? Okay, let's click here. So we could just add a new purchase order. There are several ways. So first, we choose the warehouse name, like this one, and the supplier, it depends. If it contains this, then we have to finish it. Okay, next step. So here's a way to add the new products for purchasing. What products you want to purchase in, then we add here. We could choose to add. Then here, select the code and choose, for example, this two. Then we can confirm. Or we could also choose to scan the product barcode by adding by this. So for example, I choose this two. Next step, review. Okay, I just reviewed. Approved, let's see. So here we have quantity 1, and here like this. And also there are other ways, but we could also try to import. But import, it must be unreviewed. So this one is not okay. So how about we try one more? Test. Better be this. Next step. Okay, so we could try to import. So it's okay, we should leave it blank, no data. Next step, close. So it's here unreviewed, this one, yes? So we could try to import. Or we could try to add or scan. 3 ways actually. Now here, let's import. Download template. Whenever you're going to import, we have a template. We have a system template. Let's see which you're gonna fill in. So here is the template. So first is the purchase order number. What is this? Product code, SKU code, the quantity and price. So first one, the purchase order number is just this one, okay? And there is a quantity like this. So we could import and here upload the file, then submit. Then it's done, okay? Now here I'm gonna just randomly choose some, okay? I will choose like this too. Okay, the quantity is like 10, 100. Next step, review. Okay. Okay, I'm just shut it down. All right. So here you see it's approved. Whenever, because this one is a new purchase order, yes. Once we make it approved, there will be automatically created an inbound order. So let's see. This purchase order will have automatically, there will be one new inbound order. Okay, you see this one, not inbound, yes? So if it's inbound, you buy this product and it's inbound, then you just click here inbound. But if it's like partly inbound, then how do we do? We do here. And the quantity here we could change. If it's only 50, here's 100, then we next step, inbound. Okay, so it means you see 150 is being inbound, but another 50 still not yet, yes? But if later another 50 is being inbounded, then we need to add an inbound order. And here's the order type. We have 3 types. From purchase, this one, yes, from purchase. Then here we could select the purchase order. So here, which one needs to be inbounded? You see here, partial inbound. Yes, this one, right? So we confirm, save. Then you see the left one here. So we click inbound. But if still there's only 20, then we just do the same. Make one new one. Okay, so here inbound, confirm. Right. So after all this inbound, then let's see the outbound. Outbound and inbound, the steps are almost the same. So if you have outbound, then we add. We have 3 types. First is from return, other, and WH transfer. So from return here means, here's not referring to the sales orders. No, here from return means when you purchase something and you're not satisfied with this, so you return to the supplier. Okay, this is for purchase order. You return to the supplier. So when you have this kind of return, then you just choose it. Next step, just choose the product. Okay. Now I'm gonna just cancel this. No need this. I'm gonna show you another one. From other type of outbound, you choose this. And here we have WH transfer. This one is one warehouse transferred to another warehouse. We use this. So if you have this kind of WH transfer, then first we must need to make a new outbound order. Then there will be automatically an inbound order. Okay, so make an outbound order first for the warehouse transfer. So inbound warehouse may be this one, and outbound warehouse is this one. Then we next step. Okay, choose the products. We'll get on this too. Yeah. Okay, so how many you want outbound? If you don't choose it, it'll be 1. There'll be 1. So if, for example, 50. Okay, so 50 will outbound to another warehouse before there are 100. So next step, outbound. So if we close, it means we can still edit. If outbound, then this was be reviewed. We cannot edit. And there will be a new inbound order automatically created. Okay, close first. Right, so, okay, now let's try to outbound. Confirm. Okay, now here, the inbound order. Okay, you see, warehouse transfer, inbound, not inbound. So this one, this inbound order is created automatically. So if it's inbound, then we click inbound. All right, it's done. So about the inbound, we also have 3 types. First is from purchase, yeah, and second one is other, and it's WH transfer. All right, so this is about the outbound, inbound, and purchase order. Now let's talk about the stock take order. So for stock take order, what's this for? This is for actually about the sales order, the inbound, outbound. Once we do the action, the system will automatically minus or plus the stock, right? But this stock taking, this is usually for us, for the people, we do the stock manually. Like we count the stock, count the inventory, like how many are there left in the warehouse. We will count it manually, and then we import the number. This is called stock taking. So we also, this is a way to check if the stock, if the inventory in the system, is it the same with the inventory in the warehouse? Okay, so here we have 2 ways to do the stock taking order. First one is partial. Second one is complete. Usually we'll do the partial one, it's okay. So the partial one means when you do the partial, for example, you have 10 kinds of products in the warehouse. And today you are able to count two counts. Then if you choose the partial type, then that's 2 products. The inventory will be changed because you counted, maybe there's some change, yes? But the other 8, how many left in the system, then they will be the same because you choose a partial, so the other 8 products will not change. The quantity will not change, will remain the same. But if you choose a complete type, so still the complete type, then it will be among this, the other 8, the quantity will also change and they will become 0. That's the difference. You choose complete. So usually partial is okay. Warehouse, next step, add. So just like this too. We can see the quantity is 50, yes? Also, so if we check, we find out the quantity is 40, then the quantity will become 40 instead. Stock take. So here, we can see SKU code is this. So now here we can check the inventory. SKU code, search. So you see SWH, it's 40 instead. All right, so about the inventory, also we can see the warehouse location information. If you, in the warehouse, you have the location, you want to see which products lies in which location. They need to be binded. Then first, we need to add a new location. Choose the warehouse. Stock location code. What is it? Maybe it's this one, like this. And here confirm. So this new one, yes, a new one. So what else you need to do? Here, location binding. We add, so product and the location binding. So first we choose the products. And then the SKU code is right here. We choose the warehouse. And the location here we choose. For example, this one we already created. Yes, confirm. So if we confirm, it means this product and this location is being binded. Confirm. Okay, so that's it. So the inventory search, we could just search it here. All the inventories will be here, and number of out of stock will be here. Yes, and the warning SKUs will be here. So what does warning SKU means? Once you set up the safe inventory, if it's 10, then the quantity less than 10 will be regarded as warning system, warning SKUs. And quantity in transit in here will be showed. And here we have the inventory available quantity, inventory approved, inventory quantity. So what does this mean? Inventory available to sell, it means the total in quantity minus already been sold equals to the inventory available to sell. Just like if there's the order will directly come here, being here, review. This is order processing. If the order is here, means that order, that product is already being sold, yes? So at this time, if the order is here, then here will -1. Available to sell will -1. Available to approve, when will it -1? Here. When the orders goes to next step, the order is being reviewed, then this order will be, then here will -1. available to approve will minus 1. And the quantity, why will the quantity minus 1 here? When this order finished, it's being shipped. The system status showed shipped. Then this order will be, the quantity will be minus 1. Okay? Yeah, so that's the inventory search. And inventory query log is about the product inventory we can search, like all kinds of Unicode, batch log, like this, we can search. Okay, so that's about the inventory. Okay, we could do purchase order, inbound, outbound, stock take, and also here, and also search. All right, so that's it. Okay, see you.